Honestly, can services saves us a ton of time. Like 40 hours.
Hey y'all, my name is Camryn, and today I am here at House of Cars in Burnaby, British Columbia. Since they are our biggest users of canned services to this day, we are going head to head with Joseph, the owner, to see if he's able to win a 70-inch TV for their break room. Hey, so we're here with Joseph. We're gonna be asking him a few trivia questions to see if he can bring home the big prize for him and his crew. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Feeling confident?
I'm not bad.
Perfect. Well, let's get started with the first one.
Okay.
First one is, how many different hand jobs have you created for House of Cars?
I want to say at least 100.
At least 100.
At least 100.
I'm going to go a little lower. I'm going to say 91.
All right.
So let's see what the answer is. Da-na-na-na. Ooh, 93. I think I win that one. Second question. Are you ready?
Ready.
How many minutes do you think you save with each hand job versus doing it all manually?
I want to say at least 50 to 30 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to go 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
And you know what? Let's ask Javier for the question on that one and see what he has to say. Let's do it.
Honestly, I think easily around 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15?
Yeah, it's really fast when it's
Wow. And I think you just made him happy because he won that.
You won.
Yes. Awesome job on that last one. We're tied 1-1. We're going on that final and third question.
Feeling pretty good.
Are you? But confident?
So.
Perfect. So, last one.
Okay.
Based off of that time
Yeah.
saved with the canned services, how many hours do you think you and your crew have saved last month?
It's a good question. Honestly, can services saves us a ton of time. It's got to be like 40 hours. No, more, but 40 hours.
I was thinking 15. So,
Okay.
let's see who's right. Na-na-na-na-na. Final question. Whoever gets this wins. Over 70 hours.
That's
okay,
high.
that is high. So, you win that one.
go.
I was way off.
Again.
Great game and congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's go get your prize.
Okay.
All right, let's bring out the big prize.
For real?
A big TV.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I did want to sit down and do a rapid Q&A with you,
Go for it.
kind of get your better understanding.
Yeah.
So first off, I know you guys are using AutoLeap. What are your favorite features of AutoLeap?
That's an all-in-one. Really, just like us, we try to have customers come to us as a one-stop shop. With AutoLeap, it's a one-stop shop.
Yeah.
We can get everything from scheduling to canned services to parts procurement to tire procurement, inspections, everything else. Like, it's amazing. Like, to have it all in one place, it's so helpful. And it syncs with QuickBooks, too.
Yeah,
It's huge.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And then I know you did mention canned services. What do
Yeah.
you like so much about canned services?
Time savings, and then also refinement of like crystallizing really diamond ideas, like having those take shape
Mhm.
and saving them, and just rinse and repeat until we have, a turnkey business.
Yeah.
For anyone. So,
Absolutely.
yeah.
And beforehand, like, how does this compare to what you were doing before?
I mean, we started off back in the napkin, pretty much like a lot of shops, right? A lot of
Mhm.
independents, and now, after going through many different softwares, trying to really leverage technology. AutoLeap's just a game changer. Like, it's so far ahead of anything else out there, but also the way that all syncs with each other is so seamless. There's no contest. Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, that was the last question I had. Have anything else to say?
Thank you. I mean, you guys are great as a team. Everyone involved has been awesome. So really fortunate that we found you guys and are really dialed into the process. Also, you guys are constantly improving.
Yeah.
I got to speak to that as well. It's a big future. So
Absolutely. Well, it was a pleasure talking to you today. Thank you
you.
so much for your time.
thank you.